What is prioritize based on problem impacts? It's the second phase in 9 phases of product lifecycle for an end-to-end product management lifecycle. And prioritize talks about deciding to solve one problem and deciding to not solve some of the problems. And some examples of this would be applying frameworks to decide what is the right problem to solve, quantifying the impact of problems, and impact assessment is the same thing, and then like product roadmap, product strategy, or backlog. So, an example of this, one prioritization framework would be this 2 by 2 of value versus effort. So, what's some quick wins versus what's like the big projects, but which will also have like big outcomes. And there are like a lot of other 2D axes that you'll come across. Or any of those, all of those go towards prioritizing this bucket of product skills. And another example you might have heard of is RISE framework. So that also goes towards it. So if you want to talk about in your bullet points that I prioritized based on this framework or based on that framework, or just the basic fact that I prioritized to solve this problem over other stuff, that's crucial. And another aspect you want to showcase is data driven decision making. This data could be based on customer feedback or some experimentation, data analysis, cost benefit analysis. And cost benefit analysis also kind of is the first graph we saw here, value versus effort, where value is the benefit, effort is the cost. So there's voting consensus is, I'm not sure how good that is as a decision making framework, but these are like some snapshots I found online and put in here for, just to illustrate the point of like how do you prioritize based on problem impacts. Here are some keywords that you can think of to emphasize your skills in prioritizing in your experiences. Did you change the product strategy or roadmap or backlog? Did you prioritize? Did you analyze something? Did you make data driven decisions? All of those come towards this.